Hallo YouTube, wie ihr bestimmt schon an meiner Stimme hören könnt, merkt ihr, dass ich ein wenig erkältet bin. We make this unpacking in German and in English. And I give the camera to my camera girl that will film the whole unpacking process.
Was?
Bitte nimmst es du. Schön schauen, dass alles drum ist, okay?
Mhm.
Ach, ruhig ein bisschen richtiger geht.
Jetzt ist schon größer. Alles drauf ist auch ein parallel. So.
This is the new Toolbox from DeWalt. Layers and layers of plastic. You know what? We're gonna unpack and come to you later. So there we are. These are normal Toughsystem boxes with the big drawers, which I like very much. See? And even the rail is metal, so that's cool. This top part here is, I think, this tool tray workbench surface, and these are the options. So these are those boxes. I have them with the big drawers, not the 3-piece, the 2-piece as you saw. And this is all compatible stuff. Like in the other video I showed you the lighting system with that little box. That's all attachable. So these two, this one, this is the rolling, the base, I guess, with lockable wheels, rubber wheels, and these are the tool drawers. So, gonna put something together, hopefully, and come back to you. How did it right? So we are assembling the base, the platform, with those screws, those nuts, and those washers. What I don't like right off the bat is that the hex key and the spanners are not included. For the price, come on, just put them in. I mean, we're tool guys, we have our tools, but really, Stanley Black & Decker, just put them in. In Bayern sagt man, das macht's gerade auch nicht mehr fett. So. See you later. So the only thing to assemble was the wheelbase, and now everything clicked into place. I want to show you. Wait, I have to show you. Those are the normal boxes, the Toughsystem boxes. They have no top handle, so the drawer system, I think the DXL is the drawer system. DXL system can lock in on top, and this is the bottom latch locking system. So now it stays open. Ach so, okay. This is for the removal, but this won't stay open. Oh, this stays also open. That's nice. And you have to push it down to lock again, I guess. And there's a lip. Now I got it. There's a lip inside. Push down the lip and it's locked again, and it stays open. This is very nice. As you can hear my voice, I have a little bit of a cold because I was working in the rain constantly for about a month, because on All Saints Day every year the same dramatic events occur in a stonemason shop. Like literally every year. Those dividers, deep space, and this is the last part. So let's see, maybe it slides in on top, or have it another way around. Slide in, push down. So that's it. Pretty huge. I only, Germany we use centimeters and meters. So I tell you, from the bottom up, as you see, it's 1 meter 6 centimeters height, and width with the handle 86 or 85, a half, and depth 56. Pretty cool. Like, cup holders are always welcome, and the railing around the workbench is also nice. That screws won't run off and stuff. A deeper tray for pens. This is a clip-on system for, I don't know, different attachments. Maybe my DeWalt guy will help me out with equipping those. But yeah. Yeah, very sturdy handles. Here, aluminium handles. So I think those big boxes would be cool to use alone as well, or as on, like here on the truck bed. Pretty cool. Maybe on our truck not so cool, because we have to move weights with the crane all the time, but for a shop, very, very nice and very big. So that's it. The review of the new Toughsystem 2.0 DXL. Let me know what you think. And don't know why they left that gap there. If they produce special boxes without top handle, so why is the gap there? But they're nice. Also nice and sturdy. Yeah, that's it. Nice tower, nice working tower. I will put all my hammer and chisel and lettering, sculpturing stuff in there for the shopping cannot. Alright guys. There's an opening. Why is it? Doesn't close proper. So we found a little problem. Oh, so it's the same stay open thing. Yeah, the same as the other latches, so no problem there. All right, like and subscribe, share that video, and until next time, ha det i Erde.